Hi guys, do you want to learn in a fun way? Then you are in the right place. Keep watching my channel and don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Suppose you are working in a project, then you may need a tool to follow the process of that project. Instead of using the tool, you can using an Excel sheet which will show you the percent of work completed along with the progress bar. How? Let's do it. Open the Excel sheet, go to Developers tab. Here, first of all, suppose uh, this is project name. Okay. Suppose in the project we are working on development, then come to test case, then test case execution. Okay. Then suppose uh, bug raising, then close. Okay. Now suppose project name is red, green, black. Now go to developers tab and click on insert and select a checkbox. Now here is a checkbox. Delete the name, place it here. Now make it over here also. Okay. Okay. Same for here. For here also. For this project as well. Okay. Now for test case execution, make it same for all the jobs. Okay. Okay. Now right click on each checkbox and go to format control. Here select checked radio button, and here the cell for which you are working on. development for red project. Okay, here is the reference of this column. Okay, same for every project. Same for every job. Okay, now if you do for one job and drag for all, then it will behave like select all, deselect all. So you have to do it individually. So it is taking some time. So please bear with me. Okay. Now format control, check reference cell number. Here also same. Okay. Format control. Okay. Not right. Sweet. Okay. Format control, check the reference cell. Okay. And this is the last one. Check the reference cell number. Right. If now when you check it, it will show you true, unless it will show you false. Okay. Now for the progress bar, here as I said earlier, here it will show you both uh, percentage as well as the progress bar. Now in the formula bar, type count if equal to count if the reference cell number, sorry, A2 to E2, all right, E2, comma, here you write true. If it is checked, then the progress bar will increase automatically according to the number of checkboxes. So 2 divided by columns A2 is to A2 is to E2. Right? Now enter. See, if I uncheck everything, it will show 0. If I check two of them, it will show 4. Make it as a percent. Now go to home and click on percent icon. Okay. Then sorry. It is not A2. That is my mistake. It is B2. Here also B2. That's why it was showing 80%. After clicking on, after selecting four of them. Okay. I have considered uh, column A as well. Okay. Now it is 100%. Then we have to show the progress bar. For that, go to conditional formatting, new rule, check the format all cells based on their values. Then go to format style. Format style is data var. Then minimum and maximum, make it number. Okay. 0 is the minimum, 1 is the highest, I mean 100%. Choose a color for the data bar. Suppose I want to put this color. Okay. Now press OK. See, this is the progress bar which is showing that all the jobs for that particular project has been completed. Suppose we have not completed yet test case execution and bug raging. Only the 50% of the project work has been done. Okay, this is the trick. And one thing, you can beautify the color bar by going to conditional formatting, manage rules, edit rule. Here, the bar border, make it solid border, and color, you choose whatever you want. Suppose black color. Okay, apply and okay. Now, see, the progress bar color, outside border is black. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Thank you very much.